I was in the front after where I had to where the selection was in Kvartemont, and I don't know, we didn't stay away, unfortunately. The guys kept attacking each other, and we didn't ride fast enough.
Of course, the day you started with a plan, what was the plan?
Well, the plan was to, of course, be there in the selections, the Tyneberg and Kvartemont, and then try to first of all protect me and go for the win.
And are you feeling confident about your form, because the big ones, of course, are coming up now? Eh? Next week we have the big Ronde van Vlaanderen. And
of course, the form is there. If you know a little bit about cycling, you could see it today. So the form is there. So we'll see. Unfortunately, it's really good weather in Belgium. I think it's for most of the guys who likes to ride here. It makes it a bit easier, the race, if there is more wind and maybe 10 degrees less. There's a day again Sunday, and we'll try and keep on fighting, man.
All right, thanks, man.